Alright, so let me get over to my Game Boy here. Boop, boop, boop. Alright. Let's see. So I've got a whole bunch more games now. Hopefully the phone will last out. As you can see, I've got it plugged in. It's at 11%. That doesn't mean it's gonna stay. It's been at 11% for about an hour now, but I've been using it, so I don't know. Some of these don't sound like Game Boy games, but they're in the Game Boy emulator pack, ROM pack, so I don't know. If you're new to my channel here, my name is Adrasdea. I'm currently homeless, but I'm going to be very soon in my own Section 8 apartment, and I'm going to need money to pay for the water and the power and the cable and all that good stuff. So PayPal me/Adrasdea if you'd like to help me out. If you see a game that you'd like to see me play while I'm flipping through here, put it down in the comments and I'll check it out. How about Dr. Mario? That's essentially Tetris. Let's move my face over. Hair and stuff, I'm sorry. I don't hear anything from the game though. Oh, I have the sound off. Hold on. Damn. Okay, that's my fault. I've been recording. I haven't been recording at all. I've been playing Pokemon without any sound, so I could watch videos in the background because I've got 8 hours to catch up on. So, let's get back down to it, and this time there should be sound. Oh god, this freaking episode is a disaster already. Sorry. Wait, there's 2 Dr. Marios. Which is which? Yeah, let's try this one. Let's see, we want to start on level 1. Start on low speed. It'll get faster as we go. Alright. So in this game, you play as Dr. Mario and you're prescribing medications to kill the germs. You drop the yellow pills on top of the yellow germs, and once it gets enough of it, it's gone. And then you do the same with the black germs and the green germs. This is much prettier on Super Nintendo. This, I had Dr. Mario and Tetris came together. And this was my grandparents' game. Not this version. This is the Game Boy version. But they had a bit of a contest. And they would stay up late and try to beat each other's scores. So, like, my grandmother had trouble sleeping at night, and my papa would leave her a score to beat. And so that was their thing. Why didn't it take it out? Is that not black? Am I seeing the colors wrong here? Oh, my nose is itching, sorry. Okay, so those aren't even black. What color are they? There's no way they're blue, but the one dancing down there is blue. If this... Okay. Okay. Well, that's kind of bullshit. It was blue pills I was needing, not black pills, but it doesn't look blue at all. It looks black as fuck. And the blue pills look blue, so why shouldn't the blue germs look blue? What the hell? Okay, now I see what the black germs actually look like. It's still bullshit. That was only the first level. That was needlessly difficult for the first level, only because you can't accurately tell what colors they are. I have the Super Nintendo version, and I will play it next so y'all can see. The next video will be the Super Nintendo version so y'all can see what the difference is. They're dancing so happy over there, I feel bad. Ah, shit, that's not black, it's blue. Clearly, I am not good at this. Ooh, there we go. Oh, crap. Oh, it worked out. Shit. Where was I going with that to begin with? Damn it. I'm getting all flustered now. It's about to be over. Damn it, what did I do that for? Because you're stupid, Mary. Well, that's Dr. Mario for the Game Boy. Sorry for the very short video, but my phone is now down to 8%, so, and that's plugged in charging. Fun times! I'm probably gonna have to get a new phone tomorrow. PayPal me /Adrasdea if you'd like to help out with that.